Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul and weekly meal plan. So everything that you see here was roughly about $70. My boyfriend and I split the bill on the groceries, so that is why I only spent about $33. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you like these grocery hauls, because I really do like going grocery shopping, and I also like watching videos of other people going grocery shopping because it gets my brain flowing and lets me think of other creative ideas and dinners that I could do throughout the week. So working over here, we got some spinach, onion, a zucchini, broccoli, we got some peaches, jalapenos, milk. We got some of these Pepsi. It's the new flavor, the mango juice. There was a lime one, and then there was also a blueberry one. We wanted to try one of these. I probably won't open these until I go back to night shift, so they will probably be chilling. Won't be drinking this all the time at home. Jared picked up some Cheerios. Jared also picked up a Mountain Dew. I got a Pepsi for tonight. We've been drinking some of these drink mixes to cut down on sodas. While I'm saying that, and I bought a Pepsi in this Pepsi. Monterey Jack cheese. Jared wanted some Gouda. I got some cookies because we haven't had these in a while. Green chili for a recipe. I got some butter. Meat-wise, we had some sausage. We scored on some markdown meats. We got some burgers that we're going to have this week. There's bacon. And then there's the jalapeno. We got some wings that we're going to have this week. And then I found some bone-in chicken thighs on markdown. And there you have it, folks. That is everything for our Walmart haul. Now I'm going to go over the grocery haul. Not grocery haul, the meal plan. So Sunday I'll still be working. So we're going to have that cheesy sausage rigatoni. That was featured on the weekly plan and on What's for Dinner. Monday, we're going to have the cheesy hash brown casserole. This is from Pioneer Woman. It looks really simple. That's where the green chili and the jalapeno is going to come in. And then it didn't ask for sausage, but we're going to put sausage in it. Tuesday, we're going to have a new recipe again. It's Japanese chicken wings with broccoli, or we're going to have the leftover hash browns. So this is it. Here's the recipe. It is actually on the all recipe. So Japanese chicken wings we are going to have. Wednesday we're going to have leftovers or breakfast because I'm working late. Thursday I'm actually on call for the hospital. So we're going to have bunless bacon burgers or jalapenos, whichever, with cheese, spinach, mayo, and mustard. Friday we're going to have a whole fish. And that is in the freezer, so we didn't have to buy that. And then we're having some steamed zucchini. Saturday, we're either going out to eat leftovers or we have some tortillas that we can make chicken cheese quesadilla. All right, you guys. So that is it. I'm sorry that I am stumbling over my words. Literally have slept for 3 hours due to work. So I am back to just finish this video, edit it, and then go back to sleep for about 4 hours and go to work. All right. I will see you guys later. Hopefully y'all are having a great weekend. Hopefully y'all are ready for this week also. And I will see you guys later. Bye.